Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today Apple has released Apple AirPods 2. We have not heard anything about the Apple AirPods. We've heard that they are definitely coming. We've seen code in iOS 12.2, but we haven't really seen any firm kind of release ideas or release dates. So far, we've been hoping for March 25th, and that is next week. But Apple, as you can see, is releasing a slew of new products this week before that event, most likely because they want that event to be focused on their TV subscription service. So yeah, let's just go ahead and check out the Apple AirPods 2 and see what's new. Okay, so the AirPods 2, second generation of AirPods, is definitely something that I've been looking forward to, and I think that the second generation brings us everything that we were looking for. Now, first things first, it is powered by the H1 chip. So the H1 chip will handle anything from better connections to your iPhone or iPad or whatever device you are connected to. And number two, it will kind of control all of the voice recognition and Siri activation. So now with the AirPods second generation headphones, you can now actually activate Siri using that special phrase, and you do not need anything. Siri just activated. You do not need anything. You don't need to double tap or anything like that. You can just activate Siri that special way. So that is going to be really awesome to have, especially for a lot of you who like a hands-free operation. Now you have that functionality via the H1 chip. And of course, the H1 chip will keep battery drainage down to a minimum. With all of this voice recognition and everything like that activated, it will keep battery life drainage to a minimum, just like other devices like the iPhone and iPads that have that functionality as well. Now, the next thing that we need to talk about is the case, or the charging case, and Apple has definitely added a wireless charging case. So that is super exciting to see. I know we have all been waiting for that, and there are now actually three purchase options for AirPods. So we have for $199 the AirPods second generation with a wireless charging case for $199. So that is, in my opinion, a very good price. Previously, we were seeing AirPods at $159, I believe. So now we're just seeing kind of like a $40 price bump for a second generation AirPod with a wireless charging case. Now, the second purchase option is just for the AirPods and a regular charging case. You don't have any wireless charging, and that is $159. So second generation and just a regular charging case, $159, and that will be the second generation. So that's really cool to see. I think that having a similar type price tag here is very good. And then we have a third option, which is just the wireless charging case. So you can actually purchase just the wireless charging case for your AirPods first generation and use it with that. So if you are in love with your AirPods, you don't want to spend any more money on a second generation AirPods 2, you can go ahead and just get the wireless charging case, and that will be $79. So in my opinion, $79. I would love to see it at $50. I think that would be a really good price tag, given it's just a case that wirelessly charges your AirPods, but it does a lot more than that, as you guys know. So yeah, $79 seems fair. At least it's not at the $100 price point. But yeah, I'd love to get your opinion on pricing. Let me know in the comment section down below. Pricing is a big deal these days with Apple. Definitely more on the high end these days with their pricing. So I'd love to get your opinion on pricing for the second generation AirPods, especially with the wireless charging case. Do you think $199 is a fair price tag? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now, one more thing on the wireless charging kind of case that they give with the AirPods when you purchase that for $199, that is compatible with any Qi compatible wireless charging mats. That is what Apple said, but I believe that AirPower will be coming out tomorrow. So fingers crossed for that. Hopefully we'll be seeing AirPower so you can use it with AirPower, but just in case you don't want to purchase AirPower when that comes out, or if you are worried about wireless charging now, you can actually just go ahead and get any Qi compatible wireless charger, and that will work with the AirPods wireless charging case. Now, 3 more details about the AirPods second generation that has to do with battery life, and then we are done. So the first detail is we have 24 hours of battery life here. So that is with the case. So if you continuously charge it up through the case and then you have that original 100% charge, you will get actually 24 hours of battery life, a full day of battery life, which to me is quite impressive for just AirPods, the wireless charging or the wireless earbuds that you have, and then you have wireless charging on top of that. So that's really cool. So 24 hours, and then we actually have 5 hours of listening time. So that is really cool. That is a very long time for listening time. So if you wanted to go for a long run or maybe an event or anything like that, you can actually listen for 5 continuous hours. So that is really cool to see, especially in such small earpods there, or AirPods, little small devices. I think that battery life is a great accomplishment by Apple. Now, the third fact is actually charging time. So if you just charge the AirPods in the wireless or non-wireless charging case, you will get up to 3 hours of battery life with just 15 minutes of charging. So that is absolutely insane. Such fast charging for these little small devices. And I think that, if you were in a hurry, just power it up for 15 minutes and you get like 3 hours of battery life. I think that's a really good deal. So guys, those are the Apple AirPods 2, the second generation of AirPods. Let me know your comments or your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'd love to know what you guys think of this new device. And also let me know if you think AirPower or any other devices that we have been waiting for are coming out tomorrow, which is Thursday. I'm expecting to see maybe the iPod Touch coming Thursday in this awesome week of new products, and then maybe AirPower Friday, or kind of a vice versa there. Fingers are crossed for even more new devices this week. So guys, yeah, again, let me know in the comment section down below your thoughts. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video on the AirPower or the AirPods 2 headphones. And definitely get subscribed for more content, hopefully coming this week on some new devices. Anyways, again, thank you all for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace.